So this is another method of making the plantain pie. Okay, so this time around we'll be frying this one. So you're welcome to cook with biscuit sweet. So let's forge in the same process. You're gonna boil your plantain, smash the plantain. You can use your smasher. Then after that you add your corn flour. After using your corn flour, you mix to make a dough. Okay, after making the dough, you cut them in different sizes. Okay, you round them in a circular shape in different sizes. Okay, so we are repeating the same process. So if you're coming across this page for the first time, or today is your first time, you're welcome, and this is Cook with Grace Sweet. Please tell me where you're watching me from so that in my next video I could send you a hug. So after flattening the dough, you bring in your filling and fill it in. Okay, after putting in your filling, you flip the nylon to the other side, then use your fingertip to press it down. Okay, after that you bring out your plate that has a sharp edges to press it down or hold it down in it down so that when frying it will not pull out. Okay, it will not come out and it will be cut smoothly. So after that, in a fry pan, add your groundnut oil, allow it to heat, then you add your plantain pie. Yes, then fry to golden brown, as in desired brown that you want. Okay guys, at the end it was yummy. Your kids will love it very well. I believe you will love it and give it a try. So always remember to clean your environment because cleanliness is next to godliness. Guys, the taste was yummy. It was out of this world. So guys, please don't forget to like, share, follow me, or still subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, I love you guys and see you guys in my next recipe or video. Bye. So I would like to know, between this frying method and the baking one, which of them would you prefer? Let me know at the comment section below. Bye.